but now you're seeing the same video on YouTube. You've gone to the YouTube page.
Got it.
Now, how do you embed it? You see at the bottom of the video, there's a little share link.
Yeah.
It says share. Click on
Yeah.
the share link, and it gives you all kinds of different options. You can embed it, or you can put it on Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, and then there are other options. You can see it just like goes on forever. But there are two main options that you want to be aware of. This option creates a link. So you could just copy the video link. That's the video link that you click on the link. It'll go to, you put this link on your website or anywhere. Somebody clicks on it. It goes to this page on YouTube and they can watch the video. But there's a better way to get the video on your website. That's where you click on the embed button here. So I'm going to click on this embed button, and you'll see now that this has a code. You grab the code, copy the code, and then, or you can click it down here to copy. I usually like to just copy it like I'm used to, so I don't think, you know, I don't try to copy 500 different methods based on the website, but I just highlight, right click, copy. Okay. And then you're going to go to your website. That's the next thing. Okay, now the goal is that, so you want the video to play right on your website. And if you just copied the link, then you're just going to have a link that's not really the video, it's just a link. And they click on this text link, it's not as attractive. And then it goes to YouTube. It takes them away from your website. But if, on the other hand, you use the embed code, like here's one of your videos, I've embedded it in the site, people can stay on your site. Let's move on to Gus. Okay, I got to clean that one up because it's talking about Gus and it's your video.
It's okay.
But anyway, you can see how it plays right on the site. Now somebody isn't going to YouTube. They can go to YouTube, but they could also stay on your site and watch it, which is actually better because they're on your website. They're not leaving your website. If they went to YouTube, for example, instead of staying on your website, what's going to happen is that YouTube's going to suggest a bunch of other videos after your video's done. And then they're going to start surfing YouTube and they're going to forget all about you. But if you've got it on your website, it plays the whole thing on your website. When it's done, it stops, and then they can see your contact information and continue surfing your website. So
is that the way I also would do it with our other talks we've done?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
And here's an example of that. Let's go to, okay, here's the Las Vegas Area Trails site where all the talks are. And here's your muscle checking approach. So let's just do that with the muscle checking.
Okay.
So I click on that, it goes to your blog page. Okay. Here's where your video is embedded. And you can see how, welcome to this session of achieving your optimal health. Okay, so you can see where the video is right here on the website because I use the embed code. Now, here's a question. Where do you put the embed code? So, So I'm going to go, let's say you copied that embed code and it's still on my copy thing. So let's say you copied the embed code and let's see, I'm just going to, don't look at what I'm doing right now because it's extra stuff that I'm doing just to get ready to show you something.
I think Site Builder has made it very easy.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay, this is, most websites have what they call a visual portion, and they have a text or HTML area.
Uh-huh.
Okay, visual HTML,
Mhm.
what the viewer sees, what is in the background code. So watch what happens when I paste your embed code into this window. I paste it into the text area or the HTML area. Different website tools have it um, use different names, but it's the non-visual area. Okay, so I paste it. Here's that code that we copied earlier. Okay, you see the code? Now I go to
Mhm.
the visual, and guess what?
There it is, a visual.
Here it is, and I can make it bigger so you can see it.
Uh,
And then when you click on it, it's going to play the video.
got it.
So that's as opposed to if I just had a link.
Right. Okay.
So
Well,
so
that's
when
good. I
you
didn't really know that. That's a new thing I learned, definitely.